Understanding leverage point in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, leverage point. This term is not just a part of everyday English but also a key concept in various fields. We'll delve into its meanings and uses, so stay tuned to uncover the nuances of this phrase. What is a leverage point? At its core, the phrase leverage point refers to a position or factor that can be used to gain a significant advantage or effect a change. The term leverage originally comes from the physical concept of using a lever to exert force. In a broader sense, it implies using resources or positions effectively to achieve more with less effort. Leverage point can be used in various contexts. 1. Business and management. Here, a leverage point might be a strategic decision or a market opportunity that can significantly impact the company's success. 2. Personal development. In this context, it refers to an action or a habit that can lead to substantial personal growth or improvement. 3. Environmental science. It's used to describe a factor in an ecosystem that, when changed, can have a large impact on the entire system. To better understand the use of leverage point, let's look at some examples. The new marketing strategy has become a major leverage point for increasing our sales. Finding a leverage point in your daily routine can dramatically improve your productivity. Scientists are looking for leverage points in the ecosystem to combat climate change. When using leverage point, remember, it's often used in a strategic or analytical context, so it may not be suitable for casual conversations. Don't confuse it with leverage, used as a verb, which means to use something to maximum advantage. And that's a wrap on leverage point. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you think analytically in various situations. We hope this video has been insightful and adds value to your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.